Hey neighbors, how you doing? It's Miss C, and I have a Costco haul for you. Are you ready? It ain't that much, y'all. Y'all know I'm single, okay? That might change soon. No. That might change soon, but until it do, when I go to the store, I don't buy that much stuff. So, first things first. It's not an item. It's up in my car. I needed some gas. So I went and got a full tank of gas of unleaded, good old unleaded petrol. Zoom, okay? And the gas was $2.42, which is not bad because some gas stations been around $2.58, $2.60 something lately. So if you don't have you a Costco membership, what you waiting for? Don't you want the cheap gas like Miss C? You better go get your Costco card. Now look, don't get mad at me. Because if you want to be a Costco member, you got to pay for a membership. And the membership is $60 one time a year. Now, once you pay that $60, that's your Pass Go collect $200 free card. Okay, you can go in the Costco, any Costco, whenever it's open. Okay, you can shop. You can go every Saturday. You can go through the week, eat up all they snacks and they food and they samples. You can get a $1.50 hot dog and a drink. You can get a burger for $4.99. You can get a slice of pizza. You can do whatever you want up in Costco. Okay, you can go get king crab legs. I couldn't talk. That means I want some. King crab legs. You can go get big old fat juicy lobster tails. You can go get some shrimps, some clams, some mussels, a couch, a refrigerator, a whole lot of toilet paper. You can get healthy snacks, bad snacks, fat snacks. You can get liquor. You can get a 40-pack of purified water for $2 and some change. Can you believe it? That's a lot of water. Let me see. They have all kind of stuff. I'm sorry, y'all. I went in a rant. I just got excited about Costco. And you know what? They're not even paying me. So let's move on with the haul. Okay. In a previous video, when I had a Family Dollar haul, I was talking about how I had bought the spray deodorant, but it had aluminum in it, used as an antiperspirant to help keep you dry, which I said that is not healthy because it's a chemical. And when you put chemicals on your body, your skin absorb it, okay? Which is not good. That's why a lot of women, did I say the name of the deodorant? No, I just said spray deodorant. Cool. Okay, it could give you cancer if you have an accumulation of it in your system. You don't want that. So I was looking for a natural alternative. Yeah. And my sister told me about some natural deodorant. And I was walking around Costco, I guess to get some exercise. I don't know. I was just up in there. I just like to go see the deals. Which is not good because you always want to buy something. But I was good. So I went up to the front by the pharmacy area and I found this natural deodorant 3-pack of rose vanilla, certified vegan and cruelty free. I was like, I think this is what my sister Diva Den was talking about. Let me scoop it up. And it was $9.99 for not one stick of deodorant. Not 2, but 3. Look what I got. That was my phone, y'all. It's about to die, but oh well. I ain't worried about it. I'm in the house. It says the new face of natural. Heavenly bouquet of roses with a hint of sweet powdery vanilla. Luxurious, elegant, and inviting. No aluminum, no... What does that? Yeah, I've seen that word at the bottom. I don't know what it is. And no artificial fragrances. It has 3 of the 3.25 ounce deodorant. Smelling natural is smelling good, okay? And it has like this little rose sticker up here, and you can scratch it. I was scratching it in the store, and you can sniff it. Who like? Oh, it smells so good. Oh, that smells good. Somebody gonna be trying to sniff your girl, okay? Somebody gonna be trying to sniff me like I'm sniffing this sticker. But who used to, like when you was a little kid, they used to have scented stickers. And you used to put them stickers on everything. Especially the ones that smell like fruit, and you would try to lick them to see if it had flavor. We was crazy as kids, okay? Let me tell you. But let me see. Diva, if you see this, let your girl know this is the one you talking about. But I'm pretty sure it is. I didn't check the comments before I went to the store, but I had a feeling. As soon as I seen natural deodorant, I said, I bet this is what my sister was talking about. So let me know. Now, my last item, but not least. When you are a YouTuber or you do a lot of work in your home office or at work on your computer, your own personal computer or whatever, you can run out of space. You might have too many documents, too many files, too many pictures, too many videos. And with me, I have a lot of videos. Short videos, medium size, large videos, a compilation of videos. And it was taking too much space up on my computer. And whenever you have an abundance of data on your computer, it starts to slow down the process. And it's not as fast. And that is a pain in the okay. So I went to Costco to pick me up an external hard drive. So therefore, all the videos I'm not using that I want to keep can now go on this 5 terabyte hard drive. I got a lot of space, baby. I got a lot of space. I can make videos for years, okay? I got a lot of space with this little bad boy. Hopefully y'all can see that. Can y'all see it? Oh, see. It has a 2-year limited warranty. It's by Seagate.com. And it's a backup plus. And it has some more stuff that come with it. Like Adobe Creative Cloud, photography plan, and all that. I don't need all that. I need the space to put my videos I'm not using on, because I might want to put a little slideshow together. like I did a couple of days ago. Did y'all like that slideshow? Now I know I kind of tricked y'all with the thumbnail. Y'all thought y'all was finna get a big fat juicy seafood bowl, but I just wanted to tempt you a little bit with the good, delicious food we share with each other over the last couple of months. That's all. But people was tripping. They was like, "Oh, Missy, I thought you was gonna eat some crab." I was like, "Lord have mercy." But anyway, I got this drive, this hard drive, and they say it's good with Windows and Mac. And it says small drive, large storage for your PC. And you can use the USBs, the USB 3.0. This is what it's going to look like on the side of your computer. And y'all know I'm not real techie. I wish I can give you some more information about this. So once I start using it, I'll let you know. But I'm gonna let y'all know how many videos I can put on here. I'm trying to fill this bad boy up. I'm trying to put hundreds and hundreds of videos on here. So I'll let you know if it does the job, okay? And this was only $1.99 at Costco. $1.99. No, not $1.99. $1.19. I'm sorry, y'all. Forgive me. I'm excited. I'm just so happy that y'all here with me. So it is $1.99. Why I keep saying one? Lord, forgive me. It was $119.99. Oh my goodness. Y'all. But that's not bad, right? For 5 terabytes. This is a lot, like extremely, like a lot of space. For most people that don't do that much work on their computer, you could probably have this forever. But for someone who does a lot of computer work, this is going to last you and really help you clean off your computer so it can have that oomph again, that speed and power it had when you first bought that laptop, okay? So, thank you for joining me, Missy, in the place to be. Hey, and where that is right here on Missy's Corner. Hey, on Missy's Corner, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I say like, comment, share, and subscribe. And hit that bell to be notified because I'm coming with them, baby. I'm coming with all type of videos. Y'all gonna see videos I never seen on the other channel. That's why I wanted y'all to come over here. Okay? So, y'all can get the exclusive. Okay? Y'all can get the exclusive stuff. So that's all, just them items, some gas, some deodorant for the underarms so your girl can be smelling fresh, okay? And a hard, an external hard drive so I can keep working for you, baby. So I can keep getting these videos out to you to make sure that you are uplifted, encouraged, and out there doing your thing to the best of your ability. Thank you, neighbor. See you tomorrow. Bye.